There's not much left of this mini. I've cut out so much already. And I'm getting ready to start fitting these bottom sills rockers. But before I weld it in, I'm gonna hang the door and I'll do some finish cutting. I still got more to cut, just a little bit. So this lines up pretty good. And I know you guys must think I'm crazy because there's no bracing whatsoever to keep this car square. Once the door's in, I'll get this to fit nice and, you know, I'll line it up so it looks good. And I'll start tacking it in. All right, I got the door back on. Door gaps look pretty good, not too bad. I got the bottom over here just tacked in for now. So all I need to do now is cut this. Like it's already cut, but I need to cut it again so it lines up. And then we can put that on, tack that, make sure everything still looks pretty good. And then fully weld it in. Yeah, this is a pain in the ass to line up. I got a couple tacks in right here. So I will, I'll leave the door shut. And I'm actually just gonna run the angle grinder right through both panels. I'm gonna run it right through both panels. I'll get my little 1/16 of an inch gap and I'll just weld it to itself. All right, I got this panel all welded in. I'll come back and grind down a little bit later. So I'm starting to fit this sill on the bottom. Got in a good spot. I just gotta do a little bit of trimming. Right over here, I gotta cut some more rod out. So I'll get this cut out and I'll fit this better. And I'll get that tacked in. I already made my drill holes earlier prior to putting this panel in. Grind on the back side. And I already grinded down this flange here so I can weld it nice and easy. I think it has like a zinc coating on it or something, or a galvanized steel. But I had to get that coating off just so it'll weld nice and good. Gotta be happy with